In this video, I will show you how to change your payment method on Lyft App. So first of all, open up your Lyft app, and from here, go ahead and click on the three stripes at the top left. And from here, we're going to scroll down, and there we can see payment down the middle. And when we click on this, we can see our preferred payment method. And as you can see right now, in my case, that is Apple Pay. It is here under payment methods. And if you want to change your payment method or add a payment method, then you're basically going to click on this. And then you can select the methods that are currently available. And that is to add a credit or a debit card, to add your PayPal, or just pay with cash all the time. So you can go ahead and select one of these. And after you have done that, let's say cash, then you can choose an amount to put on your account. Then you can select a dollar amount and then click on checkout. And then you will be able to enter cash on your account. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out in changing your payment method on Lyft app. If so, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.